Very often we don't realize just how much an organized home impacts our lives. And today I'm going to talk about one room in particular, the kitchen. On daily basis we spend so much time in the kitchen. It is where your family gathers to cook and eat, whether it is for a chai during the evening or making a special meal during the weekends. Kitchen is the most frequently used section in the house, and kitchen can get messy in a hurry. But a smartly organized kitchen can not only help you save time, it can also decrease your stress to a great level. Jars and containers have the most crucial part in organizing your kitchen, and today I am going to talk about them. Let me begin with my favorite glass jars, which have airtight lids. These are perfect for kitchen storage. You can use them for organizing your pantry, for organizing your breakfast cereals. I grabbed these jars from Flipkart as they have best selection at affordable prices. A home cannot stay clean all the time, but try to remove the clutter as soon as possible. Now coming back to jars, this jar from Trio is my recent discovery on Flipkart, and I really loved it as it has a glass top as well. So even if you keep it in drawers, you can easily see what is stored inside. Flipkart offers lowest prices on kitchen bestsellers. So if you have been meaning to organize your kitchen or your pantry, do check out Flipkart. Now look at that. It's raining cats and dogs and weather took a complete U-turn. So now time for a tea break. I have to have my adrak wali chai during rains. What about you? And tea reminds me of my favorite jars for organizing our chai time munchies or snacks. I love these golden lid jars. They are not only aesthetic, they look elegant and they make the snack more appealing as well. Give us some more reason to eat at home and stay healthy. I prefer using such medium-sized jars for storing snacks, otherwise we may tend to overeat during tea time. I got these set of 3 jars for just rupees 169 from Flipkart as they are offering trending deals of the season. These jars are pretty and functional, and they can be stored in any corner, whether it is your cabinet or your floating shelf. Now it's time to cook some lunch, and since it is raining I am going to make something spicy, and spicy reminds me of my favorite spice jars. The right size and shape of the jar plays a very crucial role while organizing your kitchen cabinets. So I was looking for a jar which could hold enough quantity of bay leaf and dried chilies, because these are 2 spices which are very heavily used in my kitchen, and I wanted the jars to not take too much of space. So I found these jars on Flipkart, and these were a perfect fit. As you can see, they take a very small space and large quantities can be stored in these jars. I bought these spice jars from Flipkart at a very pocket friendly price as they are offering lowest prices on kitchen bestsellers. Right size and shape of the jars helps you optimize the space in your kitchen. So it's evening and time to do meal prep for the next day. I like to do meal prep for the next day beforehand, and I use such fridge containers for chopped vegetables, peeled vegetables, and storing random things in the fridge. Such containers are not only airtight, they are sleek in design as well. They will save a lot of space in your fridge. You can also stack them and save a lot of space in your fridge. These containers are also from Flipkart as they have the best kitchen range at pocket-friendly prices. Such fridge containers not only keep your ingredients fresh, they also help you organize your fridge very easily. You can store eggs, chopped veggies, anything you like. Now I'm going to share a very simple hack which helps me save time in the kitchen. So I use different style of jars for different style of spices. Like I use some particular spices for making South Indian food, and I use different jars for keeping them so that I don't have to look in the stack of jars and I can easily identify my South Indian spices. These clear jars have a capacity of 250 ml. They are perfect for storing spices, and they also go with the red theme of my kitchen. I found these jars again on Flipkart as they offer up to 70% off on kitchen and cookware needs. I think the best benefit of having an organized kitchen is you will actually want to get in there and cook. A tidy and clean kitchen is inviting and encourages you to use it. I remember I used to purchase a lot of tea cakes, but since now my kitchen is more organized, I feel motivated and I have started baking again. So here I am enjoying my favorite lemon cake which I baked yesterday. Any kitchen organization is incomplete without planning storage of your leftover food. Every kitchen has less or more some amount of leftover food every day, and planning proper storage of that food is very important. Slowly and gradually, I am planning to ditch all my plastic tiffins and switch to these glass jars. These are very easily washable, you can easily maintain them, and they can be easily stacked in your fridge. Food will stay fresh and healthy. This container is again from Flipkart, and you can also purchase containers from Milton, Cello and many more from rupees 99 onwards. An organized kitchen also saves you money. When your kitchen is tidy and you know exactly where everything is, you won't buy duplicates of items you already own. I would recommend you to go to Flipkart now and check out their kitchen and dining top sellers, and I'm sure you will find something for your kitchen. Have I convinced you about the rewards of having an organized kitchen yet? It doesn't matter if you have a tiny kitchen or large one, they all benefit from good organization system. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Stay safe, take care.